Most of the code you write runs one line at a time, top to bottom. First this, then that, then this. Simple. But imagine you're building an app and you need to go grab some data from the internet. That request could take a few seconds. If your code just sits there and waits, your entire app freezes. Nobody can click anything. Nothing works. That's a terrible experience. That's the problem async code solves. It lets your app keep running while it waits for something to finish in the background. In JavaScript, the way we handle this is with promises. Think of a promise like ordering food at a restaurant. You place your order and get a ticket. You don't just stand at the counter and wait. You go sit down and do other things. When the food is ready, they call your number. That's a promise. It either comes back with your food, resolved, or they tell you they ran out, rejected. Now there are two ways to write this in JavaScript. The old way uses .then and .catch. It works but gets messy. The new way uses async and await. It reads almost like normal code. Wait for this. If it works, great. If not, catch the error. Same idea, much easier to read.